welcome to my guys. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. It's me again with my watermark. So today pupunta kami sa zoo because we're celebrating Valentine's Day early. And habang day off namin, today kami magde-date. So we're going to the Australia Zoo and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So sit back and relax. Sit back and relax while you enjoy this very nice intro. Okay, bye. This is my look for today. Very animalistic. Animalism. My contact lenses are from Shein. My lip combo is from Sunny's. My blush is from Sunny's. Bronzer is from Fenty Beauty. And brows are from L'Oreal. Lashes. Mascara is from Maybelline. Thank you to my sponsors, my future sponsors, for keeping me beautiful, even when I don't feel like it. Uy, ang ganda ko! So excited! We're here, everybody! Kakapahit lang namin. I'm so excited. We're ready to seize the day and to meet the animals. I am the animal. Crikey! I'm ready to meet some crikeys. Crikeys? We have our map. This is the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. Okay, follow me. Sasakay na po tayo. I'm your driver for today. Saan?
Kay Kuya Kim.
O sige, doon muna tayo. They have Komodo dragons. Oh, there! Cute! Alam mo, gusto ko ng ganyang pet sa bahay.
And real love takes practice. We know
Live animal. What's this, mate? But we're going to one of my favorite animals. Asian small clawed otter.
it's happened, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocal.
Ang cute! Kamukha ko.
Ano, may nakita?
Bakit parang hindi naman sayang? Saan ba yan?
Take the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy.
Picture lang with my
Everything's peachy. Split personality.
Here we have the alligators of Australia lounging around, round and around. Bagong manicure yung alligator. Oh, huh? White French tips.
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
Ano yung bag mo?
And I'm not shy.
Imagine they've been here for long before we came to Earth.
Story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
Free encounter. Nakabuka ka pa siya. Yan ang maganda dito sa Australia Zoo. May mga libreng animals na pwede mong hawakan at your own pace. Ito. Ito. Masaya na. Ito, baby. Picture mo ko dito. Tasmanian devil. Cute. That is the Tasmanian devil. So cute. Mga yun. Ang cute ng dingo. Para silang askal.
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split.
Wow. What am I supposed to say?
Hindi siya tinawag niya. Ayun o. Baby.
Sometimes
So
sour.
we are here at the Koala Sanctuary.
Wah.
Tulog naman sila palagi. Oh, yan. May kumakain ng ano. Nagbe-breakfast. Oh, ito. Nakakatawa. Anong kinakamot niya? Yung halaman. Oh, may pa-water park sila sa zoo. This is the outdoor area. Outdoor. They have dessert over there. They have real food. May mga bleachers sila kasi nag-show sila dito ng mga kung ano-anong stunt ng animal.
I need an intervention, divine intervention.
Kaya nga.
Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully.
Dami pala nila.
Shadows of my past open me again with a smile. But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon.
Break time.
I only have what's right in front of me.
Try to
What is right for me?
Look at the size of that thing.
Compromise.
With kangaroos and wallabies and that way.
Compromise.
May tinga ba?
Wala.
Improvise, improvise, improvise. I need a nice vacation.
Hello. It's so cute. I'm petting a kangaroo for the first time. Can I hug you? Can I hug you? Little baby.
Pure introspection. There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to you. Your
Ang ganda nun.
Parang the size of that thing.
doesn't compare.
Ay, bless you. Bless you.
To the happiness that's just around the corner.
Check out our chickens.
I only have what's right in front of me.
Oh, pop, 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 pop.
been too long now. I think that I'll second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah.
This area, meron din silang cafe. Ang ganda tignan, oo. Meron din po tayong drive-thru sa cafe. Literal na drive-thru lang.
Life is our game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe within our company. Within our company. Within our company. So come closer to me. A little closer.
Okay, magsa-snack break muna ka. Sinisinok. Lagi akong sinisinok sa Coke. Anyway, nag-order kami ng fries with aioli. Tapos nag-order ako ng Coke Lime. Sarap. Okay, magbabanyo muna tayo. Ganda pala ng banyo.
How long can you hold until your breath fall? It's been too long now.
Okay, tapos na kami kumain. So, back to adventure. Punta na kami ngayon kay Cheetah Grassland. Tingnan natin kung makakakita ba tayo ng mga kababayan ko. Hanapin nyo kung nasan. Charot. Ito. Oh. Wow. Kababayan. Magko-commute na po tayo papunta.
I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me.
So come a little closer.
Cute naman ng mga rhino. Kulay orange. Rhino. Hindi sila nagkakaintindi. Okay. Dito tayo next pupunta. Papasok na po tayo. Thank you, kind sir. Si Limar.
Reminiscing
Let's go.
the good old
This way.
days, remembering
press
to
it.
forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Then wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality. Sometimes I
Yung mga lemur dito. Nakaikot lang sila. Naka-display lang.
was sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just
So,
skip
dito may
straight to
treehouse
the plot
tayo.
twist, please?
Welcome to my
Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice.
Baby and his turtles.
We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface.
Oh, paulit-ulit na siya.
Everything's peachy. Everything's peachy.
Okay, going
Split
up.
personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
Dito pa ako sa ginagawa ko. Glimmer. Mars. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split personality.
Pwede ba kayo po? Yung mga elephant. Lahat ng tayo. Nahiyan na. Nisinok ako. Nakakahiya. Baka kala nila may ano dito. May bird, animal. Oh, wala na. Ay!
Ganyan pala yan para mo kawan.
Nakakainis. Dapat may hiccup count tayo. Okay, so may crocodile show. Pero wala kami mahanapan na upuan kasi ang daming tao.
Personal favorite. He's pretty majestic at it. Ready? How about monster?
I don't wanna slow it down. I just wanna speed it up. Speed it up. I don't wanna stop now. I just wanna keep moving forward.
Okay, tapos na yung show.
Let's go.
Tapos na yung napakainit na show. Saan na tayo?
Uuwi na.
Uuwi na.
Ay, sa bahay.
Ewan ko. Pahinga muna. So, nag-break muna kami. Nag-phone break muna kami sa and one of the chairs. Pero ngayon, naisipan namin tumingin-tingin ng ice cream flavor. Kaya, kasi ang init. Tapos ang sarap mag-ice cream. So, punta tayo sa ice creaman. Magpalamig muna ba? Diba? Palamig muna. Ito parang hindi ako kilala.
Palamig muna tayo doon.
Hindi ka na ako masagasaan, guys. Okay, we're here sa ice cream man. Isa pong kompleto. Ano ito ba na?
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay with you, with you. 'Cause everyone is so loud, I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Give me a sense of direction, give me some time for introspection.
Ang sarap na kinanguyang-nguya. Ang saya.
I need to keep on going. I need to be forward.
Kailan ka?
Don't give me
Fix
what I want, just give me what I need.
Tapos meron din sila.
I need anything, anything to be free. Don't give me what I want, just give me what I need, and I'll be out of your way. Give us a sense of direction.
Hindi na kami kumuha ng ice cream kasi ang corny ng mga flavors nila. Cookies and cream, vanilla, tas hokey pokey. Masyadong matamis. Huwag na lang. Eh, may ice cream pa kami sa bahay. Bayan yung pimple ko. Ayan, para hindi nila makita. Pero yan yung ice cream place. Si Jared nasa banyo. So hot. Sobrang init ngayon. I mean, mainit yung sun pero mahangin. So yeah. Baka lumipat na lang kami ng venue. But na-tour naman namin yung buong zoo. Tapos nakanood pa kami slightly ng crocodile show. So, sapat naman na kami. Hindi naman na namin need mag-stay masyado ng matagal. Kasi naikot na namin lahat. Tapos it's so hot. Super tapat yung araw. So, ay! Guys, tingnan niyo may bird! Hello! You are so pretty! Wow! Yabang yan na. Beautiful eyes pa siya. Yata yung nasa show kanina. Ano sa sila ba yun? Boyfriend ko. Nakapila pa yata yun. Hindi niya alam nandito ako sa may bird. Ito na ang ating mapa. Paano? Diba sabi niya magbabanyo siya kanina? Parang 20 minutes na yata. Asan na ba yun? Wala. Oo, mga 10 seconds lang yata ito mag-toilet. Wala kami parehas signal. Eh, di nagtatawagan kami. Buti nakita ko to, nakaupo doon mag-isa sa labas ng banyo. Eh, ako nalibang-libang naman ako ng kakato.
Paglabas, dun ako. Dun yung makuha mo. Dito. Sa toilet.
Ito, dito. Tapos, nandito ako. Nandyan ako.
Andito ka. Andito ka.
Nandyan ako sa bird. Iniintay lang po kasi namin na kami na yung tatalon. Eh, may mga bata pa. Guys, may visa pa niya.
Use a chance to be introspective. 'Cause I need to keep on going. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker.
Ang sakit pala sa puso ng talon-talon. Napawisan pa. Sakit.
Para uling lang yung masakit.
Ngayon, sumakit ng todo yung puson ko. For the first time ever. First time, di naman. First time in a long time. Nabigla yata siya sa kakatalon. Tapos natay pa ako. Hello! Dito kami ngayon sa may Dingo. Guys, nasa exit na kami. Kailangan umexit through the gift shop. Pero sa totoo lang, nagpapalamig lang talaga kami. Sarap ng aircon. Ito, for a stuffed toy. If I had a real life red panda pet, nakadal ko siya ng isip niyo, yung buntot niya. Uwi ka na. Ayan na yung bus natin. On the way to the parking. Pagod din na din. Nakakapagod kasi ang init. Thank you. Oh, ito si Manong oh. Finally, nasa car na kami at napainit. Pero in fairness, iniwan ko to sa loob. Pero ang lamig-lamig pa rin ng water. Road trip muna. Baka mag-stop over kami sa somewhere on the way home. Tapos, ayun, time na kami ng chips. Sobrang harap na ako ba? Kaya nga. Cornados. CC's. Okay. So, ang stopover namin today ay sa Ashley Hypermarket. Favorite kasi talaga namin tumingin ng mga kung ano-ano sa grocery. Ay, ang ganda ng hair ko. Nakikita niyo ba? Mukhang matigas pero cute kasi kulot-kulot siya. Kapuniti lang. Naka-bun kasi siya buong araw. Okay, we're here. So ito, pumasok kami na... What do you call this store? Sunlit. So, nandito kami sa Sunlit store. Tapos grabe yung mga Asian food. Like, look at that. Almond... alam niyo yung Meiji na almond? They have it in ice cream form. Kung ano-anong meron sila dito. Tignan mo, even mochi ice cream. Peppa Pig, ginawang ice cream. Ay, ang sarap no. Korean barbecue. And you guys, ang cute. They have kuromi. Tsaka mga one piece na drinks. Oh, and they have Pokemon. Ang saya. Ako na naman mag-update. Nasa Woolies na kami. Ano ba ginawa natin? Wala naman. May nasikaso kasi to eh. And kakatapos lang namin mag-sunlit. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa namin dito sa Woolies. Pero ang goal lang ni Jared ay makabili ng Century Tuna. Ayan po, ang kanyang Century Tuna. Worth $10. Okay. Got the goods. Lilipat na kami ng Chermside kasi ililibre ko si Jared ng dinner kasi siya nagbayad ng lahat na nangyari today. So, I will pay for dinner. Busy pa rin siya. Tang ko na naman mag-update. We are now eating at Hanok for early dinner. Really happy day. So yeah, see you guys later pag busog na ako. Busog na kami. Ito yung sides namin. Maraming salad. Okay. Pagong halaman.
Please don't touch the exhaust.
Thank you. Please don't touch that. Ang sarap na tong salad guys. Lasa siyang pansit canton. Tsaka ito. Naubos na. Ang sarap oh. Ubus na yung sides. Wala pa yung meat namin. Thank you.
Thank you.
Soft shell. Bye talaga yan. Kantong na dinip fry. Alam mo yung meme na yun?
Oo.
Ayan na, oh. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Ang sarap! Wow!
I've been lost. I just wanna be found.
Ubos! And the champion is... Grabe, busog na po kami. But is there space for dessert? Hati lang kami. Hati lang. Ang ganda ko naman dito. Uy, babe, naman. Babayad na ako.
Dapat mo.
Wala palang laman, no? Just cash, please. Thank you.
Okay na.
Yun na. Dito pala kami kumain. Teka. Ano niyo makita? Nandito kami kumain sa Hanok Korean Fine Barbecue. Iniwan ako ni Jackie. Kumain kami sa Korean barbecue and then ito, ilalakad na namin. Lalakad na namin yung kinain. Kasi grabe, busog din. Pero ang sarap. Hindi siya yung nakaka-guilty na busog, no? Ako hindi ako na-guilty. Ang sarap. Kasi ang lambot din talaga ng... Ang lambot ng meat, the Wagyu meat. When you guys visit Australia, specifically Brisbane, punta kayo ng Westfield Chermside, kumain kayo sa Hanok kasi ang lambot ng mga meat nila. Perfection. Perfection! So, magpo-photo booth kami. Tignan niyo. May tinga pa pala ako. Sa photo booth kami ngayon. Tignan mo yung props na napili. Ay, walang cup.
Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction.
We got the goods! Cute natin, oh. Terno kami, oh. Halika na. Yeah. Ay, pwede na mag-stick up. Baby, look. Ayan, dito kami nag-photo booth. Next naman karaoke. Mukhang masaya yung karaoke. Slay! So, for dessert, we're having bingsu. Pero yung maliit lang. Tapos mag-share kami.
Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of full emotion.
Nakalimutan ko na naman mag-update. Pero pauwi na kami. So, dito ko na natapusin yung vlog. Thank you everyone for watching my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe and like and comment. Like and comment whatever you like. Click the notification bell if you guys want to be updated with all the posts that I make. And also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Sige na rin. Sige, Facebook, stalk nyo ako doon. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching and spending time with us for our early Valentine's Day celebration. And see you guys on our next adventure. Bye-bye! Baby, say bye-bye! Hindi ka makakita.